What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the DIY Beard. My name's Jez and I am the man behind the beard. Now this is something a little bit different, and this is a midweek update, mainly because we have had some parts delivered and I really couldn't hold it in anymore because I'm excited to get those fitted. Now this will be in episode 6 of the bolt build, and as you can see we have some new LED indicators. Those will replace the stock ones that are currently on the back of the bike at the moment, just because I think they're a little bit too big, and we are trying to streamline the rear of the bike, so those hopefully will allow us to do that. We do have some new foot pegs, just because I think these look a little bit cooler. There's nothing wrong really with the stock ones, they're very functional, they do what they do, and they are relatively comfy, but I just wanted something to make this bike look a little bit cooler. Now in the box, I'm going to keep that a little bit of a secret. That's something that I've ordered recently and I've never seen on any bike as part of a build series on YouTube. So I'm really happy to be showing that, and I'll be putting links in the descriptions for that when I get the bolt build episode out. One of the other things I also wanted to touch on is a couple of rides that I've committed myself to for this year, mainly because one of them's coming up relatively soon. And the first one of those is the egg run, and that's organised by the Star Bikers. Now I will put a link in the description below to their Facebook page so you can get all the updates directly from them via Facebook. And what I'll also do is I'll put a picture of their flyer on here now, and that will show you the date as to when that is. Now we attended the toy run in December, which is organised also by the Star Bikers, and it was a fantastic event, and I'm hoping that the egg run is just as successful. They have invited me actually to go and meet them, which is an absolute honour if I'm completely honest with you, just because I've always admired those guys and the work that they do, and it is something I'm really happy to be attending, especially to show you guys from a YouTube perspective. One of the other rides I've also really looking to do is with the UK Bolt Riders. Again, I'll put a link to their Facebook page and their flyer on. Now that's going to be a great ride, and it is later on in the year, but to all Bolt Riders within the UK, if you fancy attending, please do like the Bolt Riders UK Facebook page and stay up to date. They're a great set of guys on there. Very helpful. Paul especially, he's got his own merchandise, and he's organising this ride for us. Now the Bolt clubs across Europe etc, they're also having a ride across in Germany. Unfortunately I'm not going to be able to attend that just due to family commitments. I really wish I could, so I'm definitely taking part of the one in the UK. And that's just a midweek update guys, nothing too special, nothing overly edited, no cinematics etc this week. But if you haven't already done so, please do go and subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. And if you like this sort of video, just a midweek update, please do give this video a like as well. But thanks for listening guys. Catch you again soon. Bye now.